You are now watching Doorbell News.
Bakersfield, California. A porch pirate goes to a homeowner's porch. He slits open a box to see the contents.
Yeah. Help you? Hey,
Yeah, order.
you need to leave those packages
You got there.
there.
Get lost. Columbus, Ohio. A woman's fiance catches a man in his backyard late night.
Hey, who the is you in my backyard, bro? I don't want to smoke G. I thought I saw something moving. I was trying to figure out what it was. Nah, bro, get the back here before I come outside, bro. And when I come outside on my mama, you dead, bro.
I couldn't have told him any better. Yeah, get lost. Vallejo, California. A tree comes crashing down in someone's front yard. Upland, California. This female porch pirate takes a big box, then skedaddles off to her getaway car. Yeah, we see you on camera. Bakersfield, California. This female porch pirate with a face tattoo is with her boyfriend. It looks like they're trying to break inside someone's house. She goes back to the car. Her boyfriend pulls to the back of the house, and he tries to break inside. I don't know if he thinks he's sneaky or not. That car is pretty loud. They pull to the back of the house and try to find a way inside. That loud car is definitely blowing his cover. He looks like the type of guy that would cut his own catalytic converter off and sell it. He gets spooked and drives off. Yeah, get lost. Vallejo, California. This female porch pirate comes in this woman's backyard. I don't know what she wants, but this is a private area and she needs to get lost.
Who is it? Who is it? Somebody at the door right now. Who is it?
You at the door? I'm looking for
You
Terry.
at the wrong address. Why are you in my gate?
You should have the wrong
Yes,
address.
you do.
Okay, thank you.
How the you just gonna enter somebody's gate?
Yeah, she violated. Get lost.
Come here.
That's what I'm talking about. Cause whoever the that was told.
Vallejo, California. Can't even have water fountains in front of your house anymore. This female porch pirate steals the fountain and hops on her bike like she's Mary Poppins or something. Get lost. New Orleans, Louisiana.
should.
This older lady steals someone's food delivery.
It had a name on it.
She's trying to justify stealing it, but she knows she's wrong.
If they had a party late, they don't want to. But I don't know what to.
They ain't have no party. You're a pirate. Get lost.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to. No. That's why I'm not solving it.
Sacramento, California. Yeah, this guy sees a red and black bike. He has a red and black mask. And he goes for it. Nice way to ruin a kid's day. Yeah, that bike was expensive too. Hopefully they catch this guy. Hartford, Connecticut. A female porch pirate is seen taking a very large box. She then grabs another box and she can barely walk off. Looks like she got a big score today. How do we stop this? Sacramento, California. This creeper is seen creeping in someone's backyard late night. The homeowner sets off for the alarm and he punches the camera. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Looks can be deceiving, and not everybody's out here scamming and trying to steal and take advantage of people. There's still some good people in the world.
You can do it now.
Mr. Greg Patterson left his wallet at a gas station. I'm just sitting under the pillow right here on the chair.
Yeah, there's still some good people out there in the world. Don't let these videos ruin you and think that everybody's a creep, because there's really some good people out there in the world, and they come in all different colors, shapes, and sizes. The homeowner doesn't even realize the good deed that the man just did. I think the homeowner thinks that he was coming to steal her nice decorations, but he was actually coming to return her wallet.
Well, may I said that again? Fella, don't be taking up for him. I don't think so either. That like he said something this morning, but I was pissed off last night. I was ready to bust windows.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.